Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to connect your GoPro Hero 13 to your computer. So in order to do that, you will need to use the USB-C cable that comes with the GoPro, but pretty much any USB-C cable works as long as you have the option to connect to your computer. And what I mean by that is you need to have the same port on your computer. So if you want to use the original GoPro cable, USB cable, then you need to have the USB-C port on your computer, on your PC or laptop or whatever you are trying to use. So I'm gonna first open the side door for the battery, which is located over here. We have this plastic element. We need to use our fingers in order to open it, of course. So just pull it down. There we go. And here we have the USB-C port. Now I have my other cable over here that I'm gonna use. And of course, plug one end to the computer and then the other to the GoPro. And then we should see the information that we have been connected by using the USB cable. And now we can go to our computer in order to find all files that we have on our GoPro. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel and see you in my next videos. Bye.